Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tri Square Tech. So I've changed the name from Tech to you to Tri Square Tech, and welcome to the first episode of Tech this week. So let's see the video highlights. What all we are going to see in this video. Huawei MateBook D15 and D14 launched in China. Huawei Nova 8 Pro Nova 8 comes with Kirin 985 and 66 watt fast charging. Realme Buds Air Pro Master Edition released in India. Samsung S21 comes with S Pen, confirms FCC. Apple might launch new processors for iPads and MacBooks, and Telegram is no more free for business users. The Mi 11 is coming with some great features which we'll talk. So first update is about the Huawei MateBook D15 and D14 which have been launched in China. They come with Intel 11th gen processor. So these two are come of the 2021 edition, and they are Windows 10 home laptops powered by Intel's 11th generation processor, and these are the successors of 2020 edition. So these have AMD Ryzen 4000, and both new laptops come with NVIDIA MX 450 graphics. So overall it is an excellent good home laptop as far as I know. So these laptops have been launched in an event from the Huawei, where they have also launched the other two smartphones. So they are evenly priced with good processor, the Ryzen processor, and they have a quite good specifications like IPS FHD screen, 8 GB RAM, and Windows 10. It's overall it is a nice laptop, and waiting for it to come to India to see how it works in India. Next update is about the Huawei Nova 8 and 8 Pro, which have been launched in China, and these phones have been launched in the same launch event where the MateBooks have also been launched. And these phones are 5G phones, and both of them come with some very great specifications with a premium look and features. So these phones come with a Kirin 985 SoC premium very fast premium processor, and both of them have the 66 watt fast charging and have a similar 64 MP quad camera setup. The Huawei Nova 8 comes with a 6.5-inch full HD plus display with a 90Hz standard refresh rate, and the 8 Pro comes with 6.72-inch FHD plus display with around 120Hz refresh rate. So these are premium phones with very good features which give it a high level range. Update number 3 is the launch of Realme Buds Air Pro Master Edition in India, and these are the special edition TWS earphones. These earphones launched in the same launch event where the Realme Watch S and S Pro also launched, and these are designed by Jose Levy, who is a master in these kind of designs, and they come with a glossy finish, and they are very powerful with a 94 millisecond low latency and active noise cancellation dual mics, and they have, as said, they have a nice glossy finish, and they're similar to the Realme Buds Air Pro which have been launched in October. They come with some good features, and they are a nice choice for people who like to go for Realme products. And they also come in two colors of black and white, and they also have very sleek design and a perfect battery life. So the tech update number 4 is that Samsung S21 comes with an S Pen, confirms the FCC. So the Samsung S21 is a very much awaited phone with very much great features, a nice design, and the main controversy is that will it come with an S Pen or not? An answer for this controversy is yes, confirms the FCC. So FCC says that they will come with the S Pen, and FCC also says that it works properly on this one. You can take active notes, and there is palm rejection, pressure sensitivity, and everything, and you can also have something like a mouse pointer. And this is the first time when an S Pen is coming for an S series mobile, where it used to only come for the Note series in the previous versions. And this phone comes with great features, and it is an premium flagship phone, and the S Pen adds on to its features. So S21 Ultra is going to be a great delight in the next year. Update number 5 is that Apple is launching new processors for its MacBook and iPad. So currently Apple is using its TSMC's TSMC's 5 nanometer processors for its M1 chips and A14 Bionic chips for its MacBooks and iPads. But as according to the new report by the money.udn.com website, it says that Apple might launch 3 nanometer and 4 nanometer processors in the future for its iPads and MacBooks, not yet for the iPhones. So this can be true, this cannot be true, but this is what the website says, and it has created a little bit hype in the internet. But that will be a good thing if it launches its 3nm and 4nm processors for its MacBooks and iPads. The report also mentions that Apple is testing these processors and they might launch it in the next year or 2022 also. Update number 6 is that Telegram is now more free for business users, says the CEO of the company. Telegram is an encrypted messaging app which is used by many people worldwide, and its CEO, who is a Russian named Pavel Durov, said that it is not going to be free completely. Some features on Telegram are not going to be completely free, and the reason for this pay features, the reason for the CEO to put the pay features is that he mentions he does not have proper funding to raise its company and its employees. The CEO also mentioned that he did not want to sell the company to someone else, so in order to raise money he had to include premium features for users. The CEO also says that the premium features are the features which are used by business people, so business people are going to be affected on this community. Last update of today is that Mi 11 is launching next week in China, and it is a premium flagship phone which can be slightly more priced than the Mi 10, and it is also coming with some great features, like it is the first one to have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, and the next week in China there's a Mi event where Mi 11 and Mi 11 Pro can also be launched, and in a Chinese side there had been the details and a teaser video leaked. So if this would be launching next week in China, it would be coming to India around end of February. Eagerly waiting for this Mi 11 to come in India. And that's the video, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Coming up with more videos, and next week I'll be coming up with Tech This Week #2, and thank you.